Hi, I'm Sarah.
I'm Nick.
And we're here to sing
Picture by Kid Rock
and Sheryl Crow. And we really don't care if we think that, we suck. We're just here to have fun and boo-hoo.
Amen, sister. So,
Amen.
Everybody enjoy.
Thank you. Get ready for the super style.
My life in a slow hell. Different girl every night at the hotel. I ain't seen the sunshine in 3 damn days. Been up on cocaine and whiskey. Wish I had a good girl to kiss me.
Miss.
But I wonder if I'll ever change my ways. I put your picture away. Sat down and cried today. Can't look at you while I'm lying next to her. Put your picture away. Sat down and cried today. Can't look at you while I'm lying next to her.
I called you last night in the hotel. Everyone knows but they won't tell. When I have hearty smiles, tell me something just ain't right. I've been waiting on you for a long time, filling up on haunches and sheep wine. I ain't heard from you in 3 damn nights. I put your picture away. I wonder where you've been. I can't look at you while I'm lying next to him. I put your picture away. I wonder where you've been. I can't look at you while I'm lying next to him. Funny. Oh, shoot. Saw you yesterday with an old friend.
Was the same old same, have you been?
Since you've been gone, my world's been dark and gray.
Reminded me of brighter days.
I hoped you were coming home to stay. I was headed to church.
I was off to take you away.
Thought about you for a long time. Can't seem to get you off my mind. I can't understand why we're living like this way. I found your picture today. I said I'll change my ways. I just called to say I want you to come back home. I found your picture today. I said I'll change my ways. I just called to say I want you to come back home. I just called to say I love you. Come back home. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed.
Thank you all for watching. Bye.
Peace.